Jump rope club. Jump rope club Priyada. Nama. Okay. Very please. இதெல்லாம் பண்ணுமா நீ? Guys, how are you all?
Good. Good.
Do you have questions on the homework? Did you have questions on the last week homework? Shita, I had a question for you. Did you find out where the recording was?
No, but I understood well, I found one of the recordings. I think it was that I watched it, I kind of understood it.
Or you were able to understand from the recording?
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of means?
Yeah. Well, not a lot, because I didn't even know if I didn't even know if it was the right one. But like I understood the concept because I did it before.
What was it on? What was it on? What was the topic on
Oh,
which
it
you...
was about like surface area.
Correct. That's the recording. It should be
Okay.
Wednesday or Thursday recording.
Okay.
Okay. I have questions. Okay. You know why? What? Okay. Volume of cylinder. Surface area of cylinders was given, right? Hannah, did you have any questions?
No.
I was really confused on all of the homework. I don't really understand it.
Did you attend the class?
Yeah, I think, yeah, I'm pretty sure I did.
Then we would confuse you. We did problem set and then only gave you homework, right?
Yeah. I was
What-
confused on it.
Did you try? There's the paper.
I did. I tried doing it, but I was just confused.
What were the questions? Can you bring it up now?
Yeah, I can bring it up. Give me a minute.
Yes, I will help you. Dhruv, you had a lot of questions in the homework because you don't understand how to find the volume of a phone. Why don't we try that now? Dhruv? Is Dhruv there? Yes, he's here. Can we go over it, Dhruv?
Yeah, I was trying to turn on my mic, but
Sure,
my
no
mouse
problem.
glitched.
Sure, I will help you with it. Hanna, you're able to do, ma?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, one thing, how are you writing in the computer PDF directly, ma? How are you doing it?
On my iPad.
Oh, is it easy?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Are you checking with the key
Mhm.
and then circling questions that you don't know?
Oh no, I didn't.
So it is so important you come back, mark, and come back with the questions that you don't know, Hannah. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Really, I like Prince. I like your detailed work. Are you checking with the key? That's something I have a doubt on.
This time I didn't, so I wasn't able to finish it.
You have to check with key. Otherwise, how will we know, right? You got it? You will never know what mistakes you do if you don't do that. Got it? Dhruv, did you check?
Yeah.
Did you check with the key whatever you did?
Yeah.
Okay, so whatever you did not understand, did you mark and come? Do you have those questions ready?
Yeah, it was everything that had like cones in it. I didn't know the volume.
Okay, no problem. We will go over the cone. Not a problem at all. Uh, hey, Reshma, no. I have some questions on your homework. On surface area of cylinders. Yes, I will help you.
I also had some
Can
questions
you
on the
take up those questions? Question numbers, are you ready with them? Just write down the question numbers that you are doubt, meaning you have clarifications on. If I do one, then you can do the rest. You see what I mean? I will go through one by one, one by one of your questions. Uh, can we go over it? Hey, Prisha,
Yeah, sorry, my computer had Wi-Fi problems, so it wasn't like letting me join.
not a problem, but I have a very humble request on your homework. Please do not write like this with a mouse on the computer on your homework.
Oh, okay. It might be like my style. I used a pen, like the stylus.
Stylus, huh?
Yeah.
But you see, you have struggled with it. I don't want you to struggle like that. I want to see more details. Why don't you do it in a paper then?
Okay, yeah. Oh,
You see what I mean? Meaning either you need to write it in a paper, whichever is fruitful for you, you should do. But if you're writing it directly, that's great if you're using a stylus. But then the work has to be more in detail and legible.
okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, now Ashrita, Hannah, I would really like to see what are your questions. Can you let me know? Hannah, Ashrita, what are your
I
Dhruv?
had a question on number 37, I think.
Number
37.
37. See, if you are bringing up like this, right, it's very easy for us to go over what you don't know. 37. I'm going to help you with it 100%. That is a good question. Actually, question number 37 is a little bit of an application question. A highway worker uses a cylindrical roller with the dimensions given below. He's using the cylindrical roller. How much area will one revolution of the roller cover? How much area will one revolution of the roller cover? So what
They're
are they?
asking lateral surface area?
Nice. Yes.
Oh, okay.
You got it? That's all. They are asking what is the surface area? This one, when it rolls over, what is the surface area? In one revolution means full lateral surface area. You got it?
Yeah.
That's all, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, what else?
Auntie, can you go? Okay, I have a few questions too.
Go ahead.
I also didn't understand 37, but now I understand it. And then I also didn't understand 17 on the second homework.
Sure. See, be it anything silly question, come and ask, right? See, 17th is a very good question to ask. See, these are where I want you to use your brain to think rather than using straight. What is the volume? What is the surface area? I don't want you to solve those questions at the end. Those are not going to be useful at all. The diameter of the ball is 3 inches. What does that mean? This means this is 3 inches. This is 3 inches. This is 3 inches. To the nearest inch, what is the minimum volume of the container? What is the minimum volume of the container means? What can you do about it? It's a cylinder. So how do you find the volume of the cylinder? You tell me, what is the volume of the cylinder?
It's basically just base times height.
Base area times height, right? What is the base area here? Riyanka, what is the base area here? Please be quick, ma. What is the base area?
Oh,
Hmm. Riyanka, what is the area of the circle, Riyanka?
can you give me a minute?
Sure, ma. I'll help you. It doesn't, you don't have to know everything. Auntie, this I know. I don't know. You can help me with this. Like this, if you say, I am here to help.
Can you help me?
Yeah. What is the area of a circle? Do you remember what is the area of the circle or no?
I forgot the equation.
Okay. See, that's what I want. I don't know, right? I'm thinking, oh, you know. Male people. At the end of it, if you don't remember it, I'll help you. Area of a circle is pi r square. What is radius here, ma? Radius of the circle, can you try to tell me?
Yeah, 1.5.
Yeah, 1.5. Pi times 1.5 square times height of cylinder is what?
So I would do 3.5 times 3.14.
Height of the cylinder. What is the height of the cylinder is this? What is the height of the cylinder?
9.
9. That's all. This is what you need to compute.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Okay, what other questions you have?
And then I was just really confused on the cone part as well.
Yeah, cone part. We'll go over the cone. Dhruv, can you tell us one question on cone?
Like the last question.
Sure. Hannah is 38. Can I do 38 for Hannah? Hannah, you had question number 38, right, Amma?
Yeah.
Can I help you with that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, find the total surface area of the cylinder. See, for the cylinder, right? Cylinder can be broken down into 2 circles and 1 rectangle. The side of the rectangle, right? See, when you fold this up, then it becomes a cylinder. Okay, when you see my video, otherwise, see here, guys. This is, you're watching my video. I don't know what is on my video. Hold on, let me see. Ah, did I blur the background? Why did I blur the background? Okay, so see, this is a cylinder, correct? You see, this is a cylinder, right, guys?
Mm-hmm.
This is the cylinder, right? What I'm doing, I'm just opening it out. Do you see?
Yeah.
So basically, the circle had a circumference, had a perimeter, right? That opened out into the side of the cylinder. So perimeter times the height of the cylinder. That becomes the side area, right? What is this? Based on whatever we discussed, right? They have opened out the cylinder. What is this basically? You tell me. What is this?
The height.
This is the height of the cylinder.
Oh,
What is that?
that's the circumference around the circle.
Circumference of the circle. Now you know how to, so the area of the rectangle can be calculated using 2 pi r times h, right? And the area of the circle can be used pi r square, pi r square. What they're asking, total surface area is find out pi r square, find out pi r square, find out 2 pi r times h and add everything together.
Mm-hmm.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Other questions, guys. Go ahead. Other questions. I'm here to deal with the other questions. Go ahead.
Can you do the cone now?
What, ma?
The cone part?
Yeah, ma. What is the last question he's saying, right? Yeah, why don't I do with this? This one? This one?
Yes.
Ima, see, cone is the pyramid version of the cylinder, right, guys? Cone is the pyramid version of the cylinder, right? Okay, I'll tell you why, what happened. This is a rectangular prism, correct? With the same base, same height, I'm drawing a pyramid. If the volume of this is V, what is the volume of this Dhruv?
Volume of the
Pyramid is what?
of the pyramid.
Yeah.
It's
Is
the
it-
volume of the cube divided by 3.
You know that, right? Same thing applies. This is a cylinder. This is a cone of the same height. The base is exactly the same. So what should you do to find the volume of the cone? You tell me.
Divide by 3.
Yeah. So find out, think that this is a cylinder. How will you find the volume of the cylinder? Base area times height, right?
Yeah.
What is the base area? Pi r square, right?
Yeah.
25 pi. What is the height of the cylinder? 13. But you can't say that as the volume of the cone. What should you do?
You have to divide that by 3.
That's all. You
Oh.
got it?
Priya,
Yeah, that makes sense.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, Ma, go ahead.
For me, the corners of your screen are glitching out a little bit.
Come again.
The corners of your screen are glitching out a little bit, like the edges.
So do you want me to write only in the middle?
I mean, I can't
Sure.
really see some document.
No. Yes, please. I welcome, meaning you have to, only when you say, I know that. I'll write only in the center. Makes sense. Yeah.
Priya,
Sure.
Thank you.
Yes, Ma. What else?
I have two questions.
Which one?
On the 45th question.
45th question. Let's talk it out. Let's ask everybody. Okay, 45th question. What is the doubt you have? You tell me.
So,
Just now I was discussing the surface area of the cylinder. Go ahead. There are
so
the surface area of the can. Go ahead.
they're saying, so they're saying the total surface area, right?
I would think so since nothing is given.
Okay, yeah, that was my question. And also on 72.
Uh-huh.
I
The
was
one-
so I
Uh-huh.
tried to work it out. So as the formula I put as 262 equals to one third B10.
Okay, good question, Abhyut. 1 minute, Abhyut. I will write it down. Volume of a cone can be found using the formula base area times height divided by 3. Correct.
Yeah.
Right? A cone has a volume. Let me substitute, plug in values 262 and a height of 10 inches. What is the radius of the cone they're asking? Correct?
Yeah.
Don't worry about the radius. Okay, first let's find out the base area. 262 equal to base area times height divided by 3. Multiply by 3 on both sides. You get times 3 equal to b times height, right? But you're
Yeah.
given the height as 10 inches already, right? So divide by 10 on both sides. 262 times 3 by 10 will be the base area, correct?
Hmm.
But what is the base area? Base area is the circle, remember? Pi r square.
Wait, so I got the base at 78.3.
Base area 78.3.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is pi r square. How will you find out r square? Let me write it down here. Pi r square. Pi r square will be equal to 78.3 means r square will be equal to 78.3 by pi. Any questions?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Divide by pi on both sides.
Okay.
Now, how will you find out r square is this means reverse operation is square root both sides. R will be equal to square root of 78 by 3 by pi. You can put this in the calculator.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that makes sense.
Guys, one thing is at school, you might be doing very easy problems. I don't want you to do those easy problems here. Then what is the difference of coming here, right? You have to get used to more challenging, hard problems. So that way, if you get used to this, right, it will be so easy when you go for SAT, ACT exams. Okay, only if you do your school problems, you will not get enough practice at all. Got it? Got it?
Yeah.
Tell me, what else you want? What else you need? What other questions you need? Any other questions? Any other questions? Did you have any other questions? Okay. Do you know what is the volume of a sphere? What is the volume of a sphere?
4/3 base height.
4 by 3.
4/3 pi r cubed.
Yep. Sphere means it's a round 3D object. R is the radius of the sphere. That's R. Now, volume of a hemisphere. Hemisphere means this one. What is the volume of a hemisphere?
4/3 pi r cubed.
2 by 3 pi r cube. Got
divided
it?
by two. Oh, okay.
That's the radius of the top. Then now what is the surface area? Total surface area of a sphere. 4 pi r square. Do you get it? It's like 4 circles together. You got it? Now, what is the total surface area of a hemisphere? That is a little tricky question. What is the total surface area of a hemisphere? Who can answer? Who make a educated guess?
2 pi r cube.
Surface area na square mat. Do you think it's 2 pi r square?
Yeah.
But
That's
there
what
is
I
a
thought.
catch. There is a catch there. Half of this, yes. Half of this is this. Correct? Half of the sphere. That is 2 pi r square. But we all forgot to include this piece. How much is this? How much is that?
Pi r squared.
Pi r square.
3 pi r square. So that'll be 3 pi r square. You got it?
Yeah.
This one you need to memorize, please. This piece definitely I want you guys to memorize. Got it? Any other questions? Any other questions?
No.
No? Okay. Can I move on? Danvi, did you have any questions?
Wait, Miss Priya, what's the total surface area of a hemisphere again? Because you took the thing out right when I was about to write it down.
Of a hemisphere you want?
Yeah.
Total surface area of a hemisphere? Total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Got it?
Yeah, thank you.
Anything else?
No.
Total surface area is 3 pi r square. Okay. Only the curved surface area without the top is 2 pi r square. You got it?
Okay.
Any other question? Any other questions you have?
No.
Okay, let me go ahead and ask you. You know what? Oh, it automatically got closed. Whoa, 1 minute, guys. Okay, what I wanted to do with you, let me tell you. One second, guys. In your case, in your class, some homework I had put it in for tonight. Surface area of volume of cones and cylinders. Okay. Cones and cylinders. Okay, this one is already done. Okay, you know what? Yeah, this one was hard, you know. Okay, how do you do this one? Okay, I want you to think about it a little bit on these. These are also hard problems. Okay, how about this? Do you think you can take care of this? Let me share my screen. Do you think you can handle this one? I really want you to try. Let me know if you don't know. Good job, Riyanka, Prisha, Hanna, Avyuk, Ashruta, Dhruv. Very nice. Prince, did you send it?
I'm still doing.
Sanvi, Arush, good job. Proud of you guys. Ishan, where is your answer? Don't make me pick Ishan. I sincerely don't want you to call by names, but then if you don't answer, that is the only way out for me as well. Danvi as well. You're simply keeping quiet. At least I should have gotten the note that you didn't get it, or you got it, or wait, or something, right? See, that is what I expect from you guys. Integrity. You should answer every question. Danvi, what is going on? Ishan. Ishan, do you have an answer?
I'm doing it right now.
Others are done, right? So it is important, right? You cannot make everybody wait. Danvi, where is your answer? Danvi, where is your answer, Danvi?
I gave my answer.
You gave your answer, then did I miss it?
Oh, I think it deleted.
How can it delete it?
I don't, yeah, I
Okay,
sent.
shout out your answer. That is incorrect, Danvi.
What?
That is incorrect.
Wait, give me a second.
Going to move on. Ishan, you're saying you're doing. How long to wait? All the others are done. So Danvi and Ishan were not listening. That can I say that? 40 divided by 7 times 5. 20. X will be equal to 4 feet. I'm going to move on. It puts everybody in distress. I'm going to move on. How about this? Okay, how about this? I would love to see all of your answers on this one. You can use calculators. Good to do some harder pieces as well.
Miss Priya, do we round it?
Yes, round it to the nearest 10th. It's a good question to have. I need to do this problem, looks like, because each of your answer is different. They don't have the right answer.
Can you wait? I'm like about to finish mine.
Absolutely, ma'am. Justin uses the mold to make.
Wait, can I fix my answer?
Sure, please. No, nope, not a problem at all. Height of the cone, height of the cylinder. Okay. To make the post, Justin completely fills the mold with wet cement through an opening in the bottom. How much wet cement does he need to complete the post? So, for finding that, it's the volume of cone
What do we round to?
nearest 10th.
Okay.
Very. ஐயோ, இப்பதான் நினைக்கிறேன். Basement. தெரியலன்னா பரவாயில்ல, நான் வந்த அப்புறம் பண்ணலாம். I'm getting 536.94. That's what I'm getting, guys. 536.94 cubic inches or inch cube. Prisha got it. Riyanka, yours is off. Ishan's is a little off. Little off.
I put 537. Would that be right though?
It is still okay, ma, because I asked for nearest. 537 is okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Hannah, if you rounded to the nearest inch and got 537, it's still okay, I'm saying. Dhruv, correct. Ashita, correct.
Miss Priya, can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, ma.
Okay.
Avyuk, that is incorrect. The placement of decimal is incorrect. Did you see that? Did you see, Avyuk?
Is it okay if you could like explain this problem?
Yeah, why? Yes, go ahead.
No, like if you could explain it.
Absolutely, ma. See, that's what I wrote step by step on the board, right?
I don't know. It's easier when you're like saying
Explain. No
what you're
problem.
writing.
No problem. I respect it. No problem. So this is the volume of the cone, right, Amma? Volume of the cone is what? Here, volume of the cone, and you need to add the volume of the cylinder, right? That's what tells you how much of total cement can go in. That is this. Now, volume of the cylinder is, what is the volume of the cylinder? Base area times H, right? That is the volume of the cylinder. What is the base area? 9 pi. Height is 18 inches. This is the base area times height. Clear, Riyanka?
Yeah, that makes sense.
The cone, same. Base area is this. Times height, divide by 3. Right?
Yeah.
So, when you add both, you get this. When you multiply these 3, you get this answer. Got it?
Yeah, I think I forgot to divide by 3.
Yes, see, that's the one, that's the troublemaker for all the 7th graders. Because you're all new, you tend to forget that. There is one difficult problem. I really want you guys, this one, you know what? I made the other class do and then help them with the issue. This is a very difficult problem. A rectangular prism is 40 feet by 38 feet by 15 feet. That is the whole prism shown. They cut a part of it. Did you see that? They cut half a cylinder. Shown below is a prism with a half a cylinder removed. So approximately what volume of the original prism remains? Guys, before you do, let's discuss what has been cut out. What are the shapes that have been cut out? That tell me, and after that I will help you. Don't do by yourself.
Is it half a cylinder and a square?
A cube and a hemisphere.
Ah, good. A cube. That is a good one. Okay, good to know. What was the first answer? Sorry, ma. What was that?
Huh?
What was that you said?
I said this. I said half a cylinder and a square, but now I get why it's a cube and a hemisphere.
Cube is cut out. Wait. It's not a hemisphere, right? A cube is cut out. See, it's not a hemisphere like this. Basically, it extends at the back. Did you see that? Did you see that? It extends to the back like this, right? So what has been cut out?
Half a cylinder.
Half a cylinder has been cut out.
Is that a cube or is it like?
This is a cube, ma. This is a cube.
Oh, because I thought it was like, it says 15 on the top, so I thought it was like.
Meaning it is a rectangular prism.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It's a rectangular prism has been cut out. Below is a rectangular prism cut out, and top is basically a semicircular prism cut out. So base area times height. You got it? Base area is semicircle times height. You got it? Does it make sense? Now you can all use your calculator. The parts that have been cut out is a rectangular prism and a semicircular prism. So what will be the area? Semicircular prism means what will be the area? The area would be base area times height. It's a prism, right? Base area times height for that. Again, here as well, the base area times height. Right? That volume has been cut out. So you have to find these two volumes subtracted from the entire volume. Check that out. Find the answer and tell me approximately. You can round it to the nearest whole number.
Do we calculate the height of the semicircular prism? How do you calculate the height of the semicircular prism?
What do you think it is? Start writing. Yeah, print it. What do you think is the height of the semicircular prism, Abhyukt? I want you to think and tell what you think is right.
Yeah.
Do you think you can think about it and let me know? Go ahead and think. I'm here. Avyukt, tell
Yeah.
me your thoughts.
Because like it only gives 12 feet as the cube height, but I don't know the height of the rest part.
What is it, Mom?
I know that 12 feet is for the cube or the rectangular prism, but above it I don't know.
Okay, Avyukt, think about it like this. I'll give you clues. Basically, the cutout piece, the front is this, the back is somewhere here, right?
Yeah.
So this is the piece that's going to be cut out. So what is the height of the semicircular prism?
I'm technically talking about this part. Like, I don't understand the height.
That is not the height of the semicircular prism.
I mean the radius, sorry.
The radius of the semicircular prism you can find out. Why can't you find out? There's a possibility to find out. Radius of the semicircular prism you can find out very easily. Think about it. See the picture. They have clearly given clues on that. This whole thing is 38, you know. So what is this? That you should be able to determine, right? Tell me, think out loud with me, Avyukt. I'm not seeing the chat, ma. Maybe you're all sending chat. I'm confused about this question, Dhuru. Yes, Dhuru, where are you confused? I'm here to help you.
I'm
Miss,
confused about like the dimensions for the top.
Okay, good questions coming up. You're
Miss Priya,
uh-huh.
I have a question.
1 minute. Let me talk to Dhruv. Dhruv, where are you? Where are you? Which top you're saying, Dhruv?
Like the top of like the semicircle.
Semicircle is here. You should first find the diameter. How to find the diameter?
38 minus 20.
Correct. 18. So 9 is the radius. Correct. Now, this semicircular, it's a semicircular prism. Do you understand what I mean? It's a semicircular prism, right?
Yeah.
So now you know how to calculate the area of the semicircle times the height. What is the height of the semicircular prism?
The height is 40 minus
No. This one, that's the height, right?
that's the depth.
See, that's the depth, that's the height, right? Basically, there are two semicircles. Whatever connects it is called the height of the semicircular prism. That is
Oh,
depth. The depth is what to which it is going to extend, right?
okay.
You got it?
Okay.
Auntie,
So
I
for
have
the
a
prism,
question.
1 minute, ma. Wait, ma. For the prism, did you understand, Dhruv?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now go ahead, Priyanka. Go ahead.
I don't know. This might be like a really silly question,
Doesn't matter at all. Go ahead.
but because you said that, like, can I draw on the board to show you what I mean?
Yeah, please, ma.
Because you said that, like, this part, like, that's a cube. So
Correct.
so doesn't that mean that all sides of the cube are 12 feet?
No, it's not a cube. I said it's a rectangular prism.
Okay, that makes sense.
So what are the sides? You tell me, Priyanka. What are the
So
sides of the prism? Go ahead. That's the part that's cut out, right?
yeah,
So what is that part? What is that? What is the sides of the prism?
the bottom part's 18,
Good.
and then the side that's like parallel from the
That's
12
yeah, what are
is
they?
12
18,
as well.
18, 12, and
18.
no. 18, 12, and 15, right? That is when it will extend. This is 12. This is 15, right?
That makes sense.
Mm. So like that, find it for the semicircular prism as well. See, this is the height. That's what is going to go.
Okay,
Start.
so 18 times 10 times 18 times 12 times 15.
18 times 12 times stop. That is correct. Volume is correct.
Calculator.
Volume. Go ahead, guys. Mhm. Let's keep going. So volume of big prism, you're going to subtract volume of small prism, and then you're also going to subtract volume of semicircular prism. Then that gives you the remaining shaded volume. Mm. Prisha, you got it right. Hana, can you help me understand where you went wrong? Go ahead.
So basically I found the
Hmm.
volume of the big prism
How?
by multiplying 15 by 38 by 40.
Correct. Good job. 15 by 38
Uh,
by
40.
40. Good job. And after that?
I got 22,800.
Okay. And then what did you do?
I tried to find the volume of the
Small prism?
yeah,
What is
small
it?
prism and the 216.
Lemma, please elaborate.
18 times 12,
Times?
15.
What is it?
Oh, okay.
What is it?
I didn't times it by 15.
Go ahead. So what is it?
3,240.
Okay. Then what is the volume of the semicircular prism? How did you calculate? Base area, right?
Yeah.
The base area. Radius is 9, right? That's what we found out. Did you understand how?
Yeah.
Yes, pi r square by 2. Pi r square by 2. Why? Because it's a semicircle. Times the height is, this is the height, 15. What is it? Can one of you calculate and tell me 81 pi by 2 times 15? What is the answer? Riyanka, that seems incorrect. What is the answer?
I forgot to divide by 2. Let me fix it.
See, that's the problem then.
1907.55.
1907. Okay, good. Now, whatever you're going to subtract is these two, right? 1907, 3240, right? 7, 4, 11, 5147, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So when you subtract 5147 from here, it's going to be 3, 5, 6, 17,653 cubic feet. That's the answer, approximately. It's a very good question for logical understanding of 3D geometry. Got it? Can I move on? I think Prisha, you got exactly that, right?
Mm-hmm.
17.
I mean, I got it was one number less, but
Yeah, it's still okay. You
yeah,
got 2.45, right?
yeah. But
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think
I did
if
not
you
take.
round,
Yeah, I get it, ma. I think they rounded it and told me 1940. That's okay.
yeah.
As long as you get something around 176.3 or 2 or 4, I'm happy. Yes, please, Sanvi. Can I move on? Okay, you know what? But the actual harder problems for this week, homework would be on something else completely. I know I did not do that at all, but you know what? I'm going to give you a challenging assignments on 3D geometry, which consists of 70 questions. Let's try a few problems now. It's not as hard as what I gave you. Definitely, it's not as hard as what I gave you, but it definitely corresponds to the standards. Standards in the sense to your 7th grade level. Okay, let's try this one. How about this? Okay, it is 2D geometry now. First of all, this is 2D geometry. Okay, let's do that first and then we'll go to the next. You are going to use calculators. Tell me the answer. Quick, guys. What is the area of the stained glass piece? This is a stained glass piece. See, it is called a composite figure. Why it's called a composite figure? Anybody?
because
Why is
it's
it called?
made out of multiple shapes.
Exactly. Triangle, rectangle, and quarter circle. The problem is, being 7th graders, you are bound to make the mistake of not dividing by 4 for the quarter circle. Area of the circle should be divided by 4, which everybody forgets. I'm telling it to you beforehand. So if you know that, then it's very easy. So this is just a sample, right? I want to do at least 3 more problems. Go ahead.
Oh wait, don't mind that answer.
No problem. You can take your time.
Wait, so since there's no width for the rectangle, do we use 3.14?
Yeah, use 3.14, correct.
Okay.
He asked, wait, he asked, since there's no width of the rectangle, can we use 3.14? Did you still mean 3.14?
No. The width of the rectangle is not 3.14, right?
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Okay, great. Priyanka, good catch. What is the width of the rectangle, Ishan? Dhanvi and Hana, looks like you got it. Priyanka, is that right, ma? Looks like you didn't get it. Dhruv, correct. Priyanka, first answer was correct. Why did you change it?
Because for the first answer, I didn't divide by 4.
I'm so confused now. I don't understand, ma. You'll have to work it out and show me then. Correct, Abhyut. Okay, let me see, guys. Maybe she's right. Let me quickly check and confirm. Oh, yeah. Yeah, then everybody got it wrong then, right? Priyanka, you bring up a good point. I'm checking, ma'am. I'm checking. I'll let you know. Otherwise, I'll do it on the board. You'll all think you'll all remember. See, but the problem is, Riyanka, they all got it right, Riyanka. Your first answer was definitely right. Dhanvi, Hana, Avyut.
Am I right, Miss Priya?
Correct.
I rounded to the nearest tenth.
That's okay. Dhruv, correct, Amma. Riyanka, first answer was correct. I don't know what made you change it. Ashrita, your answer is incorrect. Can you explain, Ashrita? I'll help you.
Okay.
This one is basically, what did you do? 10 times what?
I
What
did
is it?
10 times 6 because,
Correct. That's also the radius, right? Radius of the circle. 10
yeah,
times 6. Correct. So this is 60-inch square. Then what? What is this? Quarter circle. 36 pi by 4, right? So 9 pi, right?
yeah.
Right? Then the triangle is half times 12 times
But
what?
wait, for the quarter circle, I did pi times 9.
5 times 9,
Oh,
60.
oh,
You
my
got
bad.
it? No problem, ma.
I'm
For the
really confused because for this like thing, like the formula for like the area of a normal circle is pi r squared, and then I did 3.14 times 9, which got me
why
28.26.
times 9? Given is the radius, right? Why did you take it as a diameter?
Oh, that's where I messed up. Okay.
See, you need to be very careful with all this. Prince, somewhere something is wrong. Please check. So for the triangle, it is half times 12 times 16. So that will be 8 times 12, right? 96 inch square. So you need, Arush, correct. You need to add 60, 96 plus 9 pi total inch square. You got it? Amounting to 184.3 inch square. That's the answer. Clear, guys? This week's homework is definitely difficult. You know what? I want you to sit, work through, spend time, make sure you get it. Okay, that's the target for this week's homework. Okay, now I'm going to give you one more to check where we are. Let's see. How about this? Okay. Um, okay, how about this? It's a good question to do. Please definitely do this week's homework. The lateral faces of a sculpture is in the shape of a rectangular pyramid and going to be covered with tile. The base of the sculpture is 3 feet long and 5 feet wide. The net of the sculpture is shown. What is the area of the sculpture that needs to be covered with the tile? Guys, yeah, Hannah, exactly. That's the question I was about to ask. Are they asking for the surface area? What surface area are they asking? Clearly, it's given in the question. Can you reread each of you and tell me whether they are asking for the lateral surface area or the total surface area?
Total surface area?
Lateral. Because his lateral faces of the sculpture.
What do you think, Hannah?
Oh, yeah.
If you have a question or a doubt there, you have to write
I think it's lateral.
lateral. Good job. Why? Because they have clearly given the lateral faces of the sculpture are going to be covered with the tile. And in the question, what is the area of the sculpture that needs to be covered with the tile? So they're asking for lateral surface area. How will you find the lateral surface area? Who can help me?
So what you do is you have to multiply 5 times 7.2 and then divide that by 2.
1 minute, ma.
Oh,
Times
okay.
5 times
7.2.
7.2 divide by 2 is the area of this triangle, correct?
But you don't have to divide by 2 since there's 2 of those.
Yeah, but let's be very clear. Divide by 2 is the area of this triangle, and then you multiply by 2 for the other triangle, right?
Yeah.
Now what to do for this
And
triangle?
then it's 3 times 7.2 divided
Good
by 2.
job. 3 times, I will add this 3 times 7.2 divide by 2, then again multiply by 2. You don't have to multiply and divide by 2 because both are 1, right? So 5 times 7.2 plus 3 times 7.2. If I take 7.2 common, it is 8 times 7.2, right?
Yeah.
57.6 feet square. You guys get it, guys?
Yeah.
So questions like these are in the homework, okay? At the outset, to start with, oh my God, this mean teacher has given me so much of homework. It is that way. Honestly, I'll be very frank with you. But my intention is not to make you get frustrated. If you're getting frustrated, don't do it. Do one thing. Do alternate problems. And whatever doubts you have, bring it back to class. Analyze it this week. And go back and do the alternate problems that you left for the next week. I can't wait, right? The syllabus is to move on. So I'll move on with the next syllabus. But for your integrity's sake, for you to grow, you go back, work out the others. That is one option. Or those who have the grit to do everything, do it. Okay? Any questions for me? Any questions? If you're
No.
really getting frustrated, drop a message in Google Classroom. Let me know where are you getting frustrated. I'll help you. I'll help you unstuck there and then you can proceed. You see what I mean? Yep. I don't want you to get frustrated. At the end of it, you have to like it and do it. Okay. Just drop a message. Auntie, I'm getting really frustrated with this problem. Can you? Okay. Best is WhatsApp. Okay. For those messages. Because sometimes if I miss your message, right, I will let you go frustrated in classroom. So better WhatsApp if you really, yeah, I will reply in a day. Okay. Okay, guys. I'll stop here. Any questions? Stay.
Thanks, Priya.
Bye, guys. It's all
Okay.
here, again the
Bye.
same. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Actually, one question.
Please.
What's the difference between lateral again?
Lateral is the sides. Lateral means sides. Side, only the sides, not the top and bottom. Total means top and bottom area included. Top is a circle, that area is included. Bottom is a circle, that area is included. Suppose top is a rectangle, bottom is a rectangle, that is included for total surface area. You get a total surface area is always more than the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means only the sides.
I think
You
so.
didn't get it? Okay, wait.
Not really.
Wait, I want to clarify. Hold on. I'm just going back to notes. What I'm saying is, let's say this is a prism. You got it? You see, this is top, bottom, right? This is right side. This is left side, right? This is back. This is front. Are you with me?
Yes, Miss Priya.
Now, total surface area means left plus right plus front plus back plus top plus bottom area. You got it?
Yes, Miss Priya.
Lateral surface area means left, right, back, front. That's all. You got it?
Well, you're removing the top and bottom.
Top and bottom, no, top and bottom are not included in the lateral. This and
Okay.
this are not included. You got it? This and this only comes for total surface area. You got it?
Thank you,
Make
Miss Priya.
Similarly, let's say like this. What is the lateral surface area of the pyramid? You tell me. Lateral surface area of the pyramid is this triangle, this triangle, this triangle, this triangle. Don't include the bottom area. You got it?
I'm good. Thank you, Miss Priya.
Yeah. Anything else?
No, thank you, Miss Priya. Bye.
Bye, ma. Then Arush, any questions?
No. But the answer is J, right?
Answer was J, correct. Arush,
Yeah, I got it right.
out of for the past 2-3 weeks, 2-3 classes,
Miss Priya, could you put like the work back again?
you're really on top of the on your toes. I really want to mention it to your mom too.
Wait, Miss Priya, the reason I wasn't able to do the homework was because
Thank you.
I had to go somewhere over the weekend and I had a pretty busy week. And
I
so
see.
that
But
took.
please make it up this week.
Yeah, okay, I'll finish.
Okay.
Bye.
Any other questions for me? Bye, ma.
Bye.